Today, I'm gonna be making a chair out of Rubik's Cubes to see if it can hold me.
So here's what I'm thinking. We can go with a more traditional chair, something that looks like this, with a typical back, seat, and 4 legs. But I don't feel like the seat would support me. So instead, I was thinking of taking more of a bar stool approach, where the 4 legs are connected by 2 beams, which form a cross. I believe it's called a cross bracing. So when you look at it from the top, it'll look something like this. That way, I feel like there will be more structural support underneath the seat.
I'm thinking about using super glue to stick the cubes together, but we don't have any and we need a ton, so let's go buy some. Just got home, but can someone tell me since when the dollar store became the $1.25 store? Because that is criminal.
It's been like that for like 5 years.
Still criminal.
All right, now's the moment of truth to see if super glue will actually stick these cubes together. Wow, they actually fused almost immediately. As you can see, my confidence level isn't super high as I start building this chair, but hopefully it'll increase as we go. So now I'm building the first leg. I'm gonna create 3 individual beams using 15 cubes for each one, and then stick them together for additional support. All right, so I'm sticking the 3 beams together to finish up the first leg.
I was nervous at first. It's feeling a lot sturdier than I expected. I do have more confidence in it now, but let's see how it's gonna go. I still have 3 more legs, then I'm gonna connect them together and put the base on top. So the 4 legs have been created. My confidence level has definitely increased seeing how sturdy these things are.
So now I'm gonna create the cross bracing to connect the 4 legs together and then put the seat on top.
Because of how long this is taking me to make, I really don't want it to go to waste. So I was thinking that if this video hits 100 likes, I will be giving it away to one random subscriber.
The seat is officially complete. After putting the cross bracing, I noticed that the legs are super wobbly, so I'm gonna put another cross bracing on the other end. I just finished putting the glue, so now I'm gonna stick the seat on top of the base. I'm also gonna create another layer of the seat to add more structural support. My confidence level has definitely increased some more seeing how strong and sturdy this chair is becoming. So now I'm gonna add the second layer of the seat and the final piece of the chair.
And now, finally, the moment we've all been waiting for. After hours of working on this, will it hold me? Here we go. All right.
I'm gonna try lifting my feet off the ground.
There we go. Legs off the ground. Not touching.
Time for a nap.